Ready? Turn it on. Is this smoke coming out from here? Smoke comes out from here. Hi friends, welcome to Time Touch Fun! I'm Mr. Sam. This is my little brother. Hiya. What does that mean? I don't know what she's saying. But today we're gonna play with a nice train track playset. Let's open it up. But this is all different things. When it's all ready, it's gonna look like this. Isn't that cool? Yeah, you're crazy, Ayan. Now let's open it up. Ta-da! The army train truck is ready. This is where all the coal are inside. You have to put 4 batteries in. This is the tank with the armies. 2 armies. This is the helicopter. With the 2 armies too. And the smoke comes out from here. There's a wire that you connect with this to the engine right here. There's a plug you switch, you pull it out, see? And you connect it like this. See? There you go. You connect it, then you start it. Now we put this on. Bingo. Let's put this tape. Oh. What are you doing? Don't mess anything up, Ayan. Don't mess anything up, okay? I'm gonna get you. There you go. It's all ready. Turn it on. Is this smoke coming out from here? Smoke comes out from here. Is that cool? Is that cool? Smoke comes out. today. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!